Hey everyone, just want to share my experience how to test intercooler after repairing. My intercooler had leakage, kind of corrosion here. You see my finger, yeah. So I open it. Just open that, remove, and actually found this rubber sealing, and it was quite a lot of oxidation, aluminum oxidation under this rubber sealing, and it moved up the plastic part of the intercooler. So I carefully clean it and put this stuff, usefull, it's a kind of silicone stuff for making good connections. So after it was a question, did I succeeded with repair or not? So I took a simple ball, cut into two pieces. One put here with the pressure. Since it's rubber, it cannot destroy this plastic tube. Okay, so it stays here. Another half, I drill a 4mm hole in it. I put it again. It's a bit hard to film and to do it with one hand. Okay, so after I bought the simply cheapest brake vacuum bleeder, so took the hose, took this connector, just inserted here, and start my test. Since I am doing vacuum, the atmospheric pressure will press that both piece of rubber ball, and it should keep the pressure. Okay, what we have here, so it's a 200 millimeters minus of a normal atmospheric pressure. 200 millimeters in hydrogen tube. Okay, let us put 400. Now we have 300. So these are 400 millimeters below atmospheric pressure, and we see that pressure inside of the intercooler stays stable. So I can say that my repair was successful. Hope it will help for someone. and just good luck.